Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Grady Tech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Boats AirDops Alpha. Now these earbuds are priced at $999, but as a launch offer, you can get it at just $799. So if you're planning to buy a new pair of earbuds, you better get it as soon as possible on the launch day itself to get the additional discount. With that said, these are some of the highlights of these earbuds. These earbuds have 35 hours of playback. They come with fast charging. Boat calls it the ASAP charge. With just 10 minutes, you get 2 hours of playback time. It's got dual mic ENX technology for better noise cancellation, and they come with 13mm drivers. That's just the start. They also have IPX5 water resistance and a lot more. It's available in 3 colors: jet black, Swedish white, and dark cyan. And we have the jet black color with us right now. So without any further delays, let's get on with the unboxing. So here's the box. On the front, we have a quick preview of how the earbuds look like. They look pretty similar to AirPods, but more on that later. We also have some of the highlights on the front itself. On the back side, there are some more highlights and information about shipping, pricing, and so on. By the way, on the box, it's priced at 3,490 rupees. Now let's unbox it. First, there's the earbuds case, followed by the documentation, manual, FAQ cards, and warranty cards. We also get stickers. Finally, there's accessory box. Inside that, we got a USB Type-C charging cable. Now this is how the earbuds case looks like. It's pretty small, I would say. It looks pretty similar to AirPods case, but a slightly shrink down version. Let's have a closer look. So this is the front look and this is the back look. On the front, there's a groove to open the lid, followed by a circular LED in the middle, followed by the Boat branding. On the bottom, there's a USB Type-C charging port. Rest of it is completely plain. Now let me open the lid. We got the left and right marking towards the edges, and we have the earbuds at the center. Now here's a closer look at the earbuds. On the back side, there's an LED indicator at the top, along with the Boat logo at the bottom. On the side, there's a left and right marking on each earbud, and that's also the touch control area. On the front side, there's a cutout and the speaker grill. Finally, at the bottom, we got the charging pins, which also have the AirPod style design, which I really appreciate. Now these are the complete specifications of these earbuds. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.3. It has IPX5 rating, so water resistance is there. In the battery department, the case itself has a 300 mAh battery, and each earbud comes with 35 mAh battery. It also comes with ASAP charging. That means with just 10 minutes of charge, you can use it for 2 hours. That's fast charging in a nutshell. Now the pairing process is pretty simple. These earbuds come with IWP technology, which is Insta Wake and Pair technology. You just need to open the lid and the earbuds enter the pairing mode. Then you need to just search for AirDops Alpha on your phone and tap on it to connect it to these earbuds. Now these earbuds also come with auto pairing feature. So once you have already connected to a phone, you just need to open the lid to start the pairing process. So by the time you remove the earbuds and place it in your ear, the earbuds are already connected to your phone. So that's pretty cool. Now as for the functionality, remember those left and right marking on the earbuds, that's actually the touch panel. So you can just tap on it once on left and right side to play or pause. You can tap twice on the right side to play the next track, tap twice on the left side to play the previous track. You can tap thrice on the right side for the beast mode. This is like the gaming mode, which has very low latency. And finally, you can tap thrice on the left side for voice assistant. You can use it with both Android and Apple, so you can trigger Google Assistant or Siri. Now for the review part, I'll start with the design and build. I must say the design and build of this product is really good. Like, it's obviously completely made of plastic like any other product out there. Even AirPods has the same plastic design, but it's definitely made of some pretty good quality plastic. First of all, it has a nice matte finish, so it doesn't attract any fingerprints. Even though it's black, it really doesn't have any fingerprints. And it also has a nice soft feel to it, so you can just hold it and feel very comfortable. When compared to AirPods, like Apple AirPods, it's too shiny, it gets a lot of scratches, and it's not as good as this, like in terms of touch and feel. Next, you also got nice magnetic cap or lid, and you can play it like this. I do it a lot with AirPods. It's not that convenient because of the smaller size, but the cap or the lid itself is very nice. It speaks a lot about the quality. Like, this is just a 1200 rupees product, but the attention to details and the overall quality is really top notch. Like, this is one of the best earbuds, like best charging case in terms of build, design, and touch as well that I've seen for the past 2 years with the period. So design and build, top-notch product, no problem. And you also get a USB Type-C charging port, which goes on with the trend. So that's another plus point. Now coming to the most important aspect of the earbuds, audio department. So when it comes to audio, I'll say it does a pretty good job. It has a very balanced sound. You can hear a lot of details even at lower volumes. And even at higher volumes, I didn't notice any distortion. I tried playing PUBG with these earbuds with the beast mode on, and there is a difference in latency, so that feature also works without any issues. Overall, audio quality is really good, whether it's for watching movies, listening to music, and it's especially great for playing games as well. Now the case itself weighs 31 grams and each earbud weighs just about 3 grams. As you can see, they're quite small. I wish it was slightly longer, just like the AirPods, but still it's okay. And they fit pretty comfortably in ear and they don't fall off easily as well. I'll just show you that in a second. So as you can see, I'll just shake around, and as you can see, they don't fall off easily. They are pretty comfortable, they are lightweight, and like after some time you won't even notice something is in there. And because of the overall design, it doesn't feel as if there's completely vacuum in your ear either. Like you have airflow as well, so it feels pretty comfortable. Now here's a preview of how it might look if I try to play or pause or do something. So it's just like AirPods Pro, but instead of having a pressure sensitive button, these earbuds come with just a capacitive or a touch button over here. So whenever you try to play or pause, this is how it looks. Now when it comes to the call quality, I did make a few calls and I'll say the call quality is pretty decent. I was able to hear what the other party is saying without any issues, and my voice was also pretty clear on the other side. So once again, no problem over there. And obviously, if you're using these earbuds while playing games like PUBG, you can use voiceover as well. So guys, to conclude, for a starting price of 1200 rupees and a launch price of 999, I'll say these earbuds are a killer deal. Like I've said, I really like the overall design and build. Audio quality is also great, and you also get great battery life. So I would definitely recommend this product. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you are planning to buy this product, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you next time.